Are you ready for this? I don't know if I should give you this information. This is top secret. In the top secret files of TMF, this is where that's hidden. For me, personal use. I've been debating if I want to give you this. Who am I kidding? You guys know I can't hold back on the TMF, fam. You already got the looks. You already got the body. You already got the style. The last nail in the coffin you need to have women drooling over you is scent. The right scent. You want to know what that one is? I'm going to tell you. It's you. That's right. Don't click off just yet, because while fragrances are great and they smell amazing, there are just too many variables, too many fragrances out there. And some women will like some while others will hate the same one. Or you might like one and they don't, and vice versa. You see, too many variables. However, the one scent all women, doesn't matter who they are, will find attractive is your natural, clean, masculine smell. How do you develop that? That's what we're talking about today. Number 1, use a manly body wash. This is important. You need to be clean to allow your natural smell to come through. Get one that has been designed specifically for guys. The one that I personally use is Grooming Lounge's award-winning body wash. This thing smells so freaking amazing, it's actually won an award for how good it smells. It has this pepper, manly, masculine smell to it. It's very hard to describe through video. It's definitely not your, unique lavender or flowery scent body washes that you'll get at your store. It's 100% unique, and I mean, that's why it's won an award. It's definitely one of the best body washes out there. If you want to check it out, like I said, it's hard for me to explain it. You need to try for yourself to see how good it is. I'm going to have it linked below with the code. You can get like 20% off and try out this amazing body wash. Now that you took the dirt off, you don't smell dirty, now your natural scent can come through. What you're gonna want to do, boost your testosterone. You need to start working out. That's not up for discussion. When you work out, it's gonna produce higher levels of testosterone, which is what you're looking for. That higher level of test is your most powerful natural scent your body produces that women won't resist, and that's scientifically proven. If you want to check out the study of how they did all that, I'm going to have it linked below. But in a quick synopsis, they basically give a group of guys a t-shirt to wear for 2 days straight consecutively. These guys were ranging with different levels of testosterone. Women then, they were giving these t-shirts to sniff out and basically rate which ones were more attractive than others. Long story short, the guys that had higher testosterone had better smelling t-shirts, and those t-shirts were rated more attractive than the guys with lower testosterone. Number 3, use a powerful deodorant. So many guys just use the same old bad deodorant over and over again, even though they know they keep stinking at the end of the day. You need to find something that actually works for you. Again, the one that I've been using and I recommend hands down, it literally makes every other deodorant just suck, is the one from Grooming Lounge. This thing is amazing. I love this thing. It's made aluminum and alcohol free, which this is good more so to avoid those yellow stains forming on your shirts, but it's also infused with eucalyptus to naturally neutralize any bad odors that might start to make you smell amazing. Wait for it. You want to hear something crazy? So I was talking to the guys over at Grooming Lounge when I was telling them about this idea, and I was like, yo, hey Mike, I want my guys to just smell so sexy that they attract more girls. What can you do for me? And the deal he offered me just for you guys, it has to be the deal of a lifetime. He's basically giving this stuff away just to make sure you smell amazing and you're attracting more women. He's never done this before, and I don't think you'll ever see this deal again. They're going to offer you the full-size award-winning body wash. This is the one that I use all the time. Full-size deodorant bottle, which, like I said, if your deodorant doesn't work, you need to try this one. And they're amazing shampoos, so even your hair smells amazing. All 3 full-size bottles that if you were to buy each individually, it comes out to $65, close to 70 bucks. You're gonna get all 3 bottles for only $25. 60% off, just to make sure you're on your A game and you're smelling amazing. Now, if you can't smell magnetically sexy after this, then I don't know what to do. But if you definitely want to take advantage of this, check this stuff out. Make sure you smell great. This is a steal at this price. If you want to get that 60% off, you can use code TMF40. I'm going to have that link below. That way you can get all 3 products for $25. That's like a gift, basically. So like I said, if you want to check out that lineup, it's gonna be linked down below. But this rolls me on to my 4th and final tip. That's your hair. So of course you want to shampoo it, that's a no-brainer. Remove the dirt, remove the smell, and just make sure it's clean. A little hack I personally like to do, whatever hairstyling product you use, make sure it has a good scent to it. That's kind of like the little cherry on top. So whenever you're finally getting close with that girl and she's running her hands through your hair, she's gonna get those great aromas into her nose and you're gonna be turning her on. And finally, number 5, to develop that natural scent, you wanna make sure you wash your clothes properly. So not only do you want to make sure you wash them every time you sweat a lot in them or you got them really dirty to make sure you remove the musk, but you want to make sure you use the right detergent and the right fabric softener. Do not use a detergent that smells like a bathroom cleaner or a fabric softener that's infused with Febreze. It literally smells like you just sprayed Febreze all over your body and walked out the door. That's going to completely neutralize your natural masculine scent. Preferably what I do, I go unscented. I try to wash my stuff unscented or try to look for the lightest scent possible. That way, whatever fragrance or natural scent I have, that comes through. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are the top 5 things you want to do to develop a natural masculine scent. Women can't resist. Also, if you want to take advantage of that huge discount code our sponsor is sending over from Grooming Lounge, check out that link below. Like I said, I don't think you'll ever see that again. That's it for me today. See you next time.